Hi, I'm Honora Kelleher.
I'm Hennessy. So the house was built in the early 80s by my grandparents actually. It was cold. There was an oil boiler and there was basically no insulation in the house. So during the winter we'd have the oil boiler running about 14 hours a day to try and stay warm, and during the summer it could get unbearably hot at times. We went the one-stop shop route because we basically needed all the work done anyway.
Process from start to finish, it was actually really simple. Initially did take a little bit of time to kind of identify what exactly we needed or which route to go down, but we had a technical advisor come out first and go through exactly what upgrades we would need to perform, and then we were able to get the initial quote for that, and then once we were happy with that we were able to sign contracts, and then we went ahead and started the whole measures. So timelines roughly, I think we signed contracts maybe in September and works started then in December and were finished by sometime in January. We found it very, very efficient, very quick, like very little invasion to our own lives, which was important because we work from home.
We got new windows, new doors. We got our oil boiler replaced with an air-to-water heat pump. All the radiators in the house replaced. We got the walls pumped and we got the house wrapped, and we had some solar panels put on the roof.
So the house now, it feels much more comfortable. Our energy rating before was an F, it's now an A3. It's so efficient, the energy bills have come down, our energy consumption has reduced massively as well. It is very just comfortable to work from here, and yeah, just very pleasant to be in here now. So definitely would recommend the one-stop shop to anyone who, can avail of it. It's an amazing service. You get so much done for you and you have someone working with you the whole way through. We're constantly talking about how great it's been and the entire process as well. So yes, definitely would recommend the one-stop shop to anyone and everyone.